For this video, I'll be digitizing a clicker from the TV show The Last of Us. Honestly, this is one of my favorite shows of this year. Actually, I kind of like House of Dragon too, but I think I like this a little bit more. I would give this a 9 out of 10, and I would highly recommend you guys watching this, so enjoy. Okay, this one might actually take me like 3 days to complete. I got this far. It's so complex, and sometimes I completely forget about sequencing stuff. Even this, now I'm kind of like overthinking whether I put too many points. Probably make the blood a little darker. Yeah, I think I'll be able to finish that tomorrow and then have like one more day of revision, and I'll probably embroider. Kind of tired, 11 right now. Kind of hungry too. Time to make myself some gourmet sandwich, and then I'm gonna work out. Using my I don't think I'm gonna have the energy to work out. I'm gonna try to finish this. Gotta take a shit though. Hey. Pretty good. After revision, just gonna get rid of all the jump and run stitches, run connectors, I mean. Let me just show you guys what it looks like, what it would look like. I really like how it came out, especially since I digitized just off of this photo. Can't wait to embroider it and see how it looks. Shoo! Look at that, look at them stitching. Shoo! You know what time it is? It's time to work out, son. Your boy is eating good today. This is a full plate right here, bigger than my hand. And I got that kombucha. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Yeah, I really like this one. This might be one of my top 5 favorites. It's getting kind of late too. For tonight, I'm just gonna revise this file. I'm finally done with the revisions. It's currently 11:30 and I'm tired, but I'm happy with them revisions. Pretty much ready to embroider. So I'm gonna embroider tomorrow, and then yeah, we'll see where things go. This is how it stitches out, by the way. Oops, I just spotted an error. Alright, let's see the stitch play one more time, and then nice. I like it. It's loud as hell because I'm embroidering the box design onto my hoodie. Alright, let's see if this trick works again, because I really don't want to look for the thread colors. So what? Whoa! This is my favorite part. Hey. 9, 7, 8. I aligned it right where the cross is, and now I know it's gonna embroider right there, so pretty much set after that. And let's start. 54 minutes, 30,000 stitches, not bad. Alright, ready? Oh shit! Ooh. Yo, peep them details though. I don't even have to make that many revisions to it. Damn, I really like how this turned out. Yeah, look at that design, look at the details. Shit, hell yeah, I really like it. I just woke up from a fat ass nap, and I don't know, I'm feeling really tired today, so what I'm gonna do is just embroider the clicker heads, and I'm just gonna embroider the clicker heads for now. I duplicated the design so that it fit into one hoop, and so I wouldn't have to like re-hoop it. Oh shit. made some minor changes to it, so I just need to plug it into the USB and start embroidering. Shoo! Damn, it looks good. It is getting hot. Fuck! Just burnt my thumb. I'll wait for that fucker to cool down. Holy shit. Oh, it's still hot. Whatever, I'll just try to do this quick. Man, I really have to figure out how to make proper patches. Not bad though. Yo! What do you guys think? I should have mirrored one so like both sides would look like this. But whatever. I'm about to head out right now and find a place to put the patch and take a picture for Instagram. I might leave it there because I'm in 3, but I'm also cheap at the same time, so I might take it back with me. I don't know. See. Looks even better in person. Or outside, I mean. Damn. This could be a photo of itself already. I just take a screenshot and upload it on Instagram. But I'm about to head out. I'm about to start walking. Got my GoPro right here. Yeah, let's go. Finally made it to the park. I think I'm gonna go to the pull-up bars and then put the patch on one of the poles or something. Oh, shit. I think I'm gonna put the patch. No, I should put it like back there so no one can really see it. It looks good, but I really feel like it's gonna fall off. I don't have faith in that duct tape. Yeah, actually it's kind of hard to see because the clouds are so bright, but okay, I'll just leave the patch here. If it falls off, whatever. I gotta find a way to make this stickier. I feel like it blends in with that green stuff on the wood compared to the other side I tried. So I'll just leave it there. Okay, this is Mountain Lake Park, and I put the patch at the pull-up bar area. If you find it, you can keep it. Nice.